Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 4-foot heritage bench. Be sure to install your bench on a flat and level surface, preferably on concrete. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. This bench is also available in 5-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot lengths. The 5 and 6-foot models come with 2 back and seat braces, and the 8-foot model comes with 3 back and seat braces. There are 9 seat and back slats for the heritage bench, 2 bullnose slats, and 7 standard seat and back slats. You will also have 2 bench ends, 2 support rods, and 1 back and seat brace. The hardware includes 4 hex head bolts, 4 1.5-inch screws, 18 1.25-inch screws, and 4 concrete wedge anchors. Recommended tools for assembly are a powered driver drill with a Phillips head bit, a ratchet, and an 11/16-inch socket. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by positioning the 2 bench ends upright and parallel to each other on a flat surface. Loosely attach the support rods to each of the bench ends using the hex head bolts. Hand tighten to keep in place. Next, place the seat and back brace centered on the 2 support rods. 2 people are recommended for this step, as the seat and back brace will not stand on its own. Now, install the slats. Start by laying 1 bullnose slat across the lower front of the bench ends. Align the pre-drilled holes in the slat with the mounting holes in each bench end. Continue inserting the remaining 6 standard slats into the bench ends, aligning the pre-drilled holes with the mounting holes on each side. The final slat at the top should be the second bullnose slat, with the rounded edge facing up. With all slats in place and evenly spaced, tighten the hex head bolts in the bench ends. Next, secure the seat and back brace to the back side of the slats using the 1.25-inch screws through the slots of the brace. Then, secure each bench end to the upper and lower bullnose slats using the 1.5-inch screws through the pre-drilled holes in the side frames. To anchor the bench to a solid surface, use the included concrete wedge anchors, or other appropriate hardware based on your site. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings 4-foot heritage bench.